What is Big Ten Plus and how can I access it on TV?
Welcome to this video tutorial, where we'll be discussing Big Ten Plus and how to access it on your TV. In this video, we'll cover what Big Ten Plus is, the content it offers, and the steps to access it on various devices.
What is Big Ten Plus?
Big Ten Plus is a subscription-based streaming service that provides live and on-demand coverage of Big Ten conference events. This service is separate from the Big Ten Network, BTN, and offers exclusive content not available on the traditional BTN channel. Highlighted content includes non-televised sporting events, original programming and studio shows, exclusive interviews and features.
How can I access Big Ten Plus on TV?
Step 1. Sign up for a subscription. Visit the Big Ten Plus website to sign up for a monthly or annual subscription. Step 2. Choose a streaming device. Compatible streaming devices include Roku, Apple TV, Amazon Fire TV, Android TV. Step 3. Install the BTN Plus app. Search for the BTN Plus app on your chosen streaming device's app store and install it. Step 4. Log in and enjoy. Open the BTN Plus app, sign in with your Big Ten Plus credentials, and start streaming your favorite content.
Can I watch Big Ten Plus on other devices?
Yes! In addition to watching Big Ten Plus on your TV, you can also access it on your smartphone, tablet, or computer. Simply download the BTN Plus app on your device or visit the Big Ten Plus website, log in with your credentials, and start streaming. Now you're all set to enjoy the exclusive content that Big Ten Plus has to offer on your TV and other devices. From live sporting events to in-depth features and interviews, you'll be able to keep up with all things Big Ten Conference. Happy streaming!